Hello. First of all, as you can see, I'm back with my braids. I'm really learning how to properly put my braids in, because I think I'm going to add some beads to it later, because I think I really like this. It's your girl Poetreethefeminist here. This is just another wig video, and there's two different wigs I'm trying. So like before, this is the Janet collection wig. So before, when I was wearing the Gabriela wig, everybody went crazy. I loved it. It was like a steal. Well, now they have a longer version of the Gabriela wig called the Juliana. I have this in 1B. Then I have a shorter one. I have it in Choco Blonde. Feel for it. Oh, the shorter one is called Ella. And I just need to show y'all. Anyways. Okay. Shorty's long. Shorty's mad long. One at the bottom. Now it's on, but like mineral powder, of course, my shade for my scalp. I'm not gonna pluck it because honestly, so this is what I did before to help. Yes, this is this one, so let me show y'all this one real quick. I like this. It feels good. I think I'm gonna still do the same thing. Like what I did with the other one is I made sure I wrapped it up and the you know, in the hair net, put it up, not brush it so much because I feel like that will definitely make it a little bit more frizzy. Maybe a little oil sheen, a little something, keep it together. My last wig lasted me about 4 weeks. Well, oh my gosh, I think I would like this. y'all seen me, I'm a different girl, like every week. Who am I? Somebody different. Who will I be tomorrow? Somebody different. I mean, you know what? Let me throw my earrings on. Who? Who am I? I don't know. Who am I? I don't know. Who am I? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I actually think I like this one better. Oh wait, let me fix that. I had to fix that real quick. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that down below. Please check my description box for all of the information on these two wigs. And let me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching.